Open pores on face can make your skin look aged and unhealthy. They can also increase other skincare problems, such as acne and blackheads, especially for people with oily skin. Today in this video, we are going to tell you some simple home remedies that will shrink size of skin pores, and your skin will start to look much younger. Remedy number 1. Ingredients required for this remedy are fresh tomato juice, and a few drops of lemon juice. To prepare this remedy, in a clean bowl, collect juice of 1 ripe tomato. In this, add few drops of lemon juice. Dip a cotton ball in this mixture, and with help of cotton ball, apply this mixture all over your face. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Wash it off with cool water. The acid from the tomato and lemon acts like an astringent. This mask will remove excess oil from your face, will close all your pores, and will tighten your skin. Remedy number 2. Ingredients required for this remedy are lemon juice, cucumber juice, rose water. To prepare this remedy, in a clean spray bottle, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of rose water and half cup of cucumber juice. Spray this mixture on your face each time you wash your face. You have to use this mixture as toner. Just spray it all over your face and let it dry. Once dry, apply your regular face cream or serum that you use. Remedy number 3. Ingredients required for this remedy are egg white, lemon juice. Egg white face mask works great for drawing excess oil out of greasy skin. To prepare this remedy, in a clean bowl, take white portion of 1 egg. Add few drops of fresh lemon juice in this. Whip this mixture well, and your remedy is ready now. Spread this mixture evenly on your clean face, and let it dry completely. Wash it off with cool water. As eggs white dry, it pulls dirt and excess oil out of skin pores, and tightens the skin. Egg white and lemon face mask is one of the most effective remedy to shrink large pores, because it tones up and tightens the skin. For better results, use this remedy 2 to 3 times in a week. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button on the YouTube app to never miss an update.